Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable dark dim in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, I recommend you to move your cursor to the left upper corner, and after that you need to click on Edit tab. You will see here a lot of really useful settings, but of course we are interested in to go to Preferences, so I click on it. Then this window should be displayed here with Preferences. Let's check if you are in the General tab. It is very important because here you can find Application Interface Settings, and here you have dim set to FreeCAD Light on default. So if you want to change it, you need to click on this one arrow, and now you can select one from 3 available options. Of course, if you want to enable dark mode, you need to select here FreeCAD Dark. So I click on it, and then I need to click Apply button to make change, so I will do it now. And after a moment, dim will be successfully changed to dark. So now we can click OK button and we can continue our work. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.